This is exactly why you shouldn't race on public roads. Please slow down and choose the right place and the time.
Oh putain! Désolé monsieur. Oh putain de merde! Putain.
This biker girl got into a physical conflict because someone got mad over her filtering. This biker went through a horrific crash. Please slow down and ride within your limits.
Aïe. Oh fuck it out again!
The biker admitted to riding too fast for the turn on his skills, which led to a crash. Please never zone out around intersection and pay attention to each and every single vehicle out there. The biker didn't see the dirt on the road, hit the throttle too hard, and everything went sideways. The biker was pretty banged up after the crash but has successfully recovered. As the biker was riding, he got cut off. Things escalated very quickly.
Yo!
Yo, what?
Why'd you pull right out in front of me?
You better get your from in front of me, boy.
Alright, well you see all this and you cut me off right in front
I
of
don't
me.
give a what I did. You walk up to my goddamn car.
Well, I'm gonna walk up to the car. You cut me off, you're gonna kill somebody, dude.
No, I'm gonna kill you.
You're gonna kill me?
Go
Okay.
get back on your motorcycle.
That's what you better do.
Not today.
I
This
wish
is the
you would.
holidays. Get on your motorcycle.
Alright,
This is the
don't start
holidays.
pushing on me. He
Get
cut
on
me
your
off,
motorcycle.
alright?
Touch.
This is
I'll
the
get on it. I'm
holidays.
not gonna touch her. Why would I touch her? You cut me off. You're gonna
Anybody
kill
can cut
somebody,
you off
dude.
anytime. You and your
You ain't gonna kill me.
Wait,
Alright,
happy holidays.
do it.
Okay?
Have a
Happy
good
holidays.
Christmas. Have a good Christmas, ma'am. Have a
Stop it.
I'm not doing nothing. 118 XZH. Go.
This biker girl ended up in a fairly serious road rage incident.
You want to sit there? Yeah, you come. And look at your cameras from there.
Avoid road rage, stay calm and keep your composure. The biker had a solid lane position but almost got hit anyway.
Yo! Hey! Santa! You see me behind? Excuse me? Excuse me? Gangsta, yeah? Gangsta, yeah? Excuse me?
A driver got passed by one biker but became very aggressive towards another.
What the f, dude? I didn't pass you. I didn't do that. I was gonna stay. Go kick it. Not mine. You stopped in the road's hands are me. I wasn't paying. I didn't pass you. Go ahead, dude. Go. I'm not gonna put you. What, you gonna chase me down? Come on, guys.
As the biker was riding, he got cut off.
What are you doing, dude? Come on. What are you doing? No, I'm not going in the other lane. I'm going in the middle. Whatever.
Many of you watching aren't subscribed yet, so hit that subscribe button to join our community. The biker himself said they both overreacted. Both should have kept calm and gone on with their day.
Right, that's good.
Never damage others' property, but nothing justifies playing with someone's life. I suppose the truck driver didn't like BikerZ riding style, which was actually very risky and dangerous. Please ride safer.
What? You, bro. What's wrong?
Don't pull in front of a truck like that.
What truck?
This truck!
Well, why are you tripping? The hell out of there. The hell out of there, you tripping. The out of here. Woo.
As a biker, it's important to know that the most drivers hate when we lane split or filter.
Dude, lane splitting's legal. You're.
It's actually not a lane,
Dude, 2 lanes going straight. You don't know. You're an idiot. What's the other place?
The biker was tailgated for a while and decided to confront the driver about it.
You fuck up, man. I wanna fight you. You flashing. Hey? Are you flashing? Are you dead, no, man?
Sometimes it's the biker who makes a bad decision. whiskey throttle happens more often than you think.
I knew that was gonna happen. I was racing you and I went too fast for myself.
The biker knew he was at fault too, but claimed he was in a huge rush, but also said that the driver should have checked twice. Whenever you go down, take a second to relax. Examine yourself and the bike before moving on. As the biker nearly got wiped out, he decided not to hold a grudge.
Allora devi dire scusa! Devi dire scusa, deficiente! Oh, ma che sei scemo sei? Vattene a far culo, va! Pezzo di merda!
Please be more considerate towards other road users. The Volvo driver completely disregarded the biker's safety and played a game with his life. The biker got attacked right at his doorstep for allegedly going too fast in the neighborhood.
I don't want to have a problem. You're trying to tell me to slow down when I'm not even going fast. You're going too fast. Yeah, I'm only watching out for everybody here. I don't want to have issues with you, man. Well, stop. I don't want to have issues with you. I don't want to have issues with you. Go. Go. I don't want to have issues with you. I don't even know why you're coming up to me like that. I am not speeding through here, first of all. I do here every day. I do. The dogs are in the fucking street. I have to stop for them before. They got in my way. They come to my yard taking all the time. So don't come at me like that. Please go. Please go.
Driver decided to intimidate and confront the biker after the biker allegedly tailgated.
You're on camera, bro. Then go, dude. I let you in front of me. I'm not doing anything wrong. Excuse me? Go, dude. Go.
Thanks for watching till the end, bikers. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and check out these crazy episodes. You will not regret it.